How to turn on two-factor authentication on Instagram. First thing first, you just have to go ahead and tap on your Instagram and open it up. Once you are on your homepage, you just need to go ahead and tap on profile at the bottom right. Then at the top right, you'll find the menu icon. From here, you just have to head over to Account Center where you control all of your account details and its actions. So go ahead and head over to Privacy, Password, and Security. Once you land on this page, you have two-factor authentication right below change password. And then from here, select your Instagram account. Now, once that is done, you can choose SMS or WhatsApp, or you can choose the authentication app. So if you want to use the authentication app, just go ahead and click on it. Or if you want to choose SMS or WhatsApp, you can do that as well. So from here, click on next. Now you're going to have to enter your mobile number right here and then tap on next again. And you just need to verify your phone number and you'll be good to go. That's it, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.